For their 8th anniversary creating portable power solutions for the outdoor enthusiast, Jackery is taking off 15% from their entire website. We've covered many of their products in the past, everything from the Bolt to the Explorer 1000, but we thought this would be a great opportunity to check out the new Solar Generator 1000 kit. And this includes the Explorer 1000, as well as two Solar Saga 100-watt panels to power this back up outside. Normally priced at $1,600, you can currently get the Solar Generator 1000 kit for $1,360, or $240 off during their anniversary sale. So with the Explorer 1000's massive array of outputs and the ability to charge it up anywhere on the go, this is going to be a great option for those that like to adventure outdoors. So let's check it out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications with the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys, and at the heart of the Solar Generator 1000 kit is the Explorer 1000. Top of the line for power stations from Jackery, the Explorer 1000 features a wide array of outputs, including 3 AC outlets with a rated output of 1000 watts continuous and 2000 watts surge power. And that's some serious power to have away from the home. That'll power everything from coffee makers to mini fridges to pressure cookers, and so it's a great option to have along with you in a camping rig or an RV setup. And we've already done a full review of the Explorer 1000. I'll link that down in the description. You can check it out up here as well if you want to see a little bit more about how this works. And then for the other side of this kit are the Solar Saga 100 watt panels. Measuring at 24 by 21 by 1.5 inches when folded, they're thin and then expand to just over 4 feet when set up for solar. And these are usually priced at $300, but during this 15% off sale, you can get them for $255. So be sure to check that out on Amazon and click the little coupon, but then also check it on their website if this is something you're wanting to pick up. And if you're watching this after their anniversary sale, I'm sorry you missed it, but stay locked on to 9to5toys.com to make sure you're checking out all the latest deals, as we feature a lot of Jackery products when those do go on sale. On the back of the Solar Saga 100 watt are 2 built-in kickstands that can help to set the panels at a great angle for the sun. They also have metal grommets in all 4 corners to help with mounting the panels. Inside the pouch on the back is the DC barrel plug that goes to the Explorer 1000, or another power station. It did work perfectly on the Anker Powerhouse 400 we just reviewed. And also in that pouch are outputs for both USB-A and USB-C to power up other devices directly from the solar panel. And also included with this kit is a little Y parallel adapter that will take the 2 DC barrel plugs from the Solar Saga 100 panels and turn it into an Anderson connection to connect into the Explorer 1000. So in use actually powering up the Jackery Explorer 1000 with the Solar Saga 100 watt panels, with a stated efficiency of 23%, it works very well to recharge. When plugged into a normal outlet here at my house, the Explorer 1000 will pull about 160 watts and recharge in roughly 7 hours. With the 2 panels working together on a relatively sunny November day in northern Indiana, I was able to get between 120 and 125 watts pretty consistently. And Jackery states that in peak efficiency, the 2 panels should be able to recharge the Explorer 1000 in about 8 hours, which is just 1 hour shy of plugging it into a wall outlet, which is pretty incredible. So overall, wrapping up here, the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 kit is a great way to stay powered up when off the grid. The 1000 watt output from the Explorer 1000 can power most devices, and the ease and speed of recharging with a pair of Solar Saga 100 watt panels makes it a breeze to stay charged up. And like we mentioned, right now is a great time to pick up this kit if it's something you've been thinking about, because you can save about $240 on the Explorer 1000 and the 2 panels with that Y adapter. So if you're purchasing this on Amazon, be sure to check the on-page coupons to get those deals, or you can buy the kit directly from Jackery's website. And that'll wrap it up for our review of the Solar Generator 1000 kit. Let us know what you think about it down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys.